Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change the currency on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, as you can see, this is the Tesla stock and the price is on USD, on US dollar. As you can see here, we have $239 per share. So if you want to change that to another currency, just go to here, hover over it, and you will see here the currency USD. If you take your mouse off, you won't see it. So go back to it and click on this small arrow and you can change to any currency you want. So let's choose, for example, Canadian dollar, just for example. And as you can see now, the price is on $335. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.